I want us to have the best sex ever.
Don't we have good sex normally?
We do. It's just... I want us to do something different.
Different, like?
Like, you know, like 50 Shades of Grey. Things like, I got to spank. Oh, what's nice things like I like it.
50 Shades of Grey. Is that the name of like a football team?
No, you've not watched it.
But
So
I
nice.
give it well to you now. I do my work well. Like, don't I hit that spot well?
You do. It's just... I'm into some things.
It's like some things like
I like to role play.
role play. What do you have in mind?
I know. Okay, it's going to be so fun. Okay, so what we'll do? I'll go to the kitchen. You know, there's my washing machine there.
Yeah.
So I'll just pretend that I'm stuck. I'll count like 1 to 10. I'll start shouting your name, and then you just come. But you will not come and help me. You just come and just fuck me. You know, like sorry. But yeah, when you see me there, don't help me, cause yeah. So just count 1 to 10.
Oh.
Come meet me there.
Okay.
I love you. Okay, I'm just gonna go.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 10.
Hey!
Are you okay?
Why'd you bring me out?
I thought you were in trouble.
No! It's not the sex. No, you were just supposed to just... The only thing you should have been bringing out was your dick. Yeah, it's part of the sex. I'm not stuck. I told you.
So,
It's okay. You're doing great. You're doing great, actually. Just next time, you're just gonna go back. Next time when you come back, just fuck me. Okay, I'm not in trouble. Don't worry. Just fuck me. Yeah? Just fuck me. Okay? Let's go.
I know I did you wrong, and I'm sorry for the way I treated you. Oh, girl, if you could give me just one more chance to show you everything I didn't do. So let's close our eyes, imagine our bodies wrapped around each other tight. Feel that fire burning, baby, it feels just right. Come inside and stay a while, let's get naked tonight.
Bing! Give me a second, tiger. Oh. Wait, is it another one? Wait, how did you tie yourself? Look, how did you? Babe. Babe. I don't know what. Okay. How did you do this to yourself? This is tight.
someone broke into the house,
What?
tied me up, and took advantage of you.
No, babe, you're joking. So you're not the one that just fucked me
It
right
was
now?
him! And you fucking enjoyed it.
I don't. What? No.
You fucking enjoyed it.